I was inspired to consider buying this car by the Model 3 showcased in this video. The captivating appearance of the Tesla Model 3 deeply appeals to me. After 1 month had passed, I mentioned the car that had been on my mind. As a new car owner, I purchased some products to decorate my beloved car. Perhaps everyone understands that when you first buy a car, it comes with nothing inside. The first product I'd like to introduce is a portable vacuum cleaner which allows for timely cleaning of the garbage and dust inside the car. Okay, let's take a look at the double-layer floor mats that I purchased. This is a detachable double-layer floor mat, unlike regular single-layer TPE mats. This one can effectively ensure anti-slip performance, significantly enhancing safety. The bottom layer of the mat is made of eco-friendly material, which is completely waterproof and easy to clean. Indeed, the most important feature of this detachable design is its ease of installation and removal. It differs from the full coverage floor mats recommended by automotive repair shops. When you receive their products, you may encounter some creases or folds, but there's no need to worry too much. This type of material is pliable and can easily regain its original shape with time and use. Indeed, these layered floor mats not only add a sense of aesthetics but also prove to be highly durable. Their design enhances both the visual appeal and longevity of the product. Next, let me introduce a hidden storage box, which is designed as an armrest, providing a practical and concealed storage solution. Inside the package, there are alcohol cleaning wipes and a storage box with 3 meters adhesive. That's great to hear. The overall fit is excellent. As it's customized to match the original car model 1-to-1, this aspect gives you peace of mind and ensures a seamless integration with your car. The adhesive is easy to remove. The opening mechanism is also straightforward, using a press and pop-out operation. Indeed, you can conceal personal items such as emergency cash, a lighter, and even your work business cards in this hidden storage box. Then, to complete it all, I brought out a protective cover for the armrest. Since I chose white seats as an option, I wanted to maintain color consistency, so I opted for a white armrest cover. It is incredibly easy to install, to the point where I can't even find the right words to describe it, but it indeed provides effective protection for my armrest, and I'm very pleased with it. Exactly! Just slip it on, and you'll have a beautifully covered armrest box. It adds a nice touch to the interior of your car. These are the things I needed after buying the car today. If you have any favorites, please let me know.